Hi everyone, I'm John again from XPEL Malaysia. Here we are at Auto Lab 𝗘𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and here we have a 𝗫𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 today. The owner has selected a full range of XPEL product as well. Before I go any further, I would like to highlight that every XPEL Authentic in-store product will have your car plate number and row ID number recorded in the e-warranty landing page. Alright, so here are the 4 ways to identify an original XPEL product. The first, box ID. The second, plastic ID. The third, row ID. All these 3 have similar identical row ID number. And the most important, the e-warranty. Every XPEL product is labeled with 3 identical row ID that will be recorded with your personal details, car plate number, chassis number in the e-warranty. And that's it. This is how you verify an original XPEL product. Alright, so protect everything you love with XPEL Malaysia. XPEL Ultimate Plus, the protagonist screen protection film in the market that provides the highest anti-corrosion and the highest durability film ever created. Next up, after the installation of screen protection film, we will apply XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. It helps to enhance the protection of the car by providing 𝗘𝗵𝗿𝗄𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 effect and color intensity. Finally, our next product lineup, our XPEL Prime Window Film. This is one of the film that is actually recommended by the Skin Cancer Foundation and an eye doctor from the USA. It has been proven to be the best UV protectant that blocks up to 99% UVA and UVB rays, and it also rejects up to 97 infrared heat. So thanks again, thanks for watching.